Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the most delicious cinnamon roll. Guys, this is also topped with barbecue pistachio. Now if you don't know, now you know. This is the bomb put together. Alright, so you guys just have to try this recipe. Now, if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment. Alright guys, if you're ready, I am ready. Let's get started. So to my bowl, I will be adding some milk, some granulated sugar, salt, melted butter, 2 eggs, and we will whisk this together. My yeast, cinnamon powder, and now I'll go in with my flour a little bit at a time. And here guys, I will be using my spatula because I do not want to overwork my cinnamon roll mixture. So for the most part, I will be using my spatula. This is going to be so nice and fluffy and just delicious. Now I'll go in with my hand for just about 2 minutes. Form a nice little ball. Then I'll rub some butter right over the top, cover and sit until it doubles in size. For the mixture, we add some sugar, some cinnamon, and a little bit of nutmeg. Mix until everything is well combined and set aside. It's really nice and soft. So now you will add a little bit of flour to your surface, and then you will place the cinnamon roll dough right on top. Alright, so I'm using my rolling pin and I'll roll this out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Alright, that looks amazing. Now we'll go in with our softened butter and butter right over on top of this dough. Now we will sprinkle our cinnamon and sugar mixture evenly right over the top. Alright, that looks good. Now we will take the end and give it a nice neat fold. Keep rolling just like that. So we butter a pan. Now we will cut our cinnamon rolls into equal parts. So I was going to use this pan and I decided to change my mind and I used one of this round pan. This will create a beautiful rose when it's done. Cover again until it almost double in size. And then we will bake this for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Beautiful. Now we will make the topping. I have some butter and some cream cheese. We will whisk that in. We will add some vanilla extract, some powdered sugar, and pour right over the top. And that is what it looks like, guys. Now we will remove the pan and you're left with this gorgeous rose of cinnamon roll. Super moist, super delicious, and it's a definite winner. Okay, so give this a thumbs up, comment, share, like. Please try this recipe. And I'm having mine with some barbecued pistachios. Guys, this is so, I can't emphasize how this is delicious. So once again, thank you for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. Go make this cinnamon roll. Thank you. Bye-bye.